Hello everyone, all you are welcome to Education Asan hai, and in this lecture we are going to just tell you how to handle your depression situation. I know that very much of us, that many of us are there in sometimes there are such struggles in life. There are some struggles which I think led to your depression, but according to me, बच्चों, the struggles in the life should not kept you in this world, because this word is only related to your mind energy. So in this word you can easily see that this depression word gives only and only hurts to you. It does not help you anyone to increase your income or increase your power of earnings. According to me, you should handle this very carefully, and you all should know that this will only lead to that means this will only lead to about loss, or you can say that there's like a huge impact on your life if you didn't do anything about it. As you all know that this thing is very much underestimated about of it, and this can even discraft you, and this even can also make crash you. This is the world most better thing which you can do. I think you should always just thinking on what you want to do now, not what you want to do and you are not able to do it. Because if you focus on what you want to do, then you will be keeping able to improve yourself. And now let's discuss about what is the basic thing by which the children or the persons may get into this bad word. So the first thing is that they always do like they didn't do the meditation, which is the most suggestible thing for this word, that means depression. Okay, so meditation is the most suggestible word, because what is depression now examples of depression, like if you want to get admission in IIT, you have want to get admission in IIT, but you are not able to get admission because you don't score that much of marks. Suppose you want to get admission in IIT Bombay and you are not able to get an admission, then many of you think that you are not able to achieve anything in your life. Then it is not true. If you want to achieve in your life, just keep upgrading, keep improving yourself day by day, because as you all know and also we know that when we think of something which is out of our power, then the whole world help you to achieve that thing. Okay, and just keep upgrading yourself. Like in the IITs, what is the main thing which an IIT student did and the other, like suppose in an IIT, or here is the local college. So what is the difference between this and this? The basic difference between these two are that the local college doesn't provide you about the most informative knowledge, and if you want to get those informative knowledge, the most powerful videos and the most powerful learning lessons, then please do subscribe and share and like our channel. Thank you. Subscribe it.